Is that your ring?
No, it's not.
Stop, 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 stop. There we go. If it's there, we'll find it. I love my job. Yeah, baby. Oh, voila.
Holy shit.
Storm's coming over fast. I just got a severe weather warning as well on my mobile phone. I'm not hearing any thunder, I'm not seeing any lightning. Search is on, that's for sure. I'm excited, I can't wait to get out there. Conditions, surf-wise, too dodgy. Let's get in there. Stop, 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 stop. I got a water dragon. Hey buddy. There we go. Shoot, 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 shoot. We got the marking pole in. I don't know if that's going to stick. If we're getting more lightning strikes, we've got to bail. No worries, duck under. There's another one ducked on. These sets just keep coming in. Persistence. That's what gets the gold. And diamond. Get knocked around, got to get back up, get back in that search area. Hold on. Oh, there's no target, but this search just keeps pumping. Going on the front. They're getting bigger, so it's getting real big. Hiding is one thing, digging out is another. I'm waiting. I lost my marker. The current is tearing my arm off just going up against it. We've got to stand our ground. Give me a break. Rigs were lost just yesterday. The rigs are here, guys, and we will find them. I'm not leaving until I get them. It'll take me 20 minutes just to retrieve that. We're going. Surf conditions are just absolutely crazy. The marker's gone. I've lost the bottom plate metal detector as well. I'm not calling off the search though, there's no way. Get the gamey out here. Duck dive. Got a series of sets just coming in. Actually. We're going! Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby! See how it's doing with that? Alright, I can't muck around, I gotta put this on my finger. That ain't going anywhere. Woo! Now doing mashing hole. These waves keep knocking me off target. Duck on! Right. You little beauty, we're on the first gold diamond engagement ring. This one here is only inches away from the first target, and unfortunately it's taken me nearly 15-20 minutes to dig it. The surf conditions are rough, it's relentless. I'm fatigued, getting tired and worn out, but I have a good feeling we're going to be on the gold right now. You look beauty, check that out. I should say one was platinum. One had the diamonds all the way around it. The other one, right, duck dive. And the other one just had one diamond on it. I lost my skip plate. I've been out here for a few hours now. The thunderstorm passed over us. Luckily I didn't get hit by lightning. The lifeguard's just like, Michael, you're crazy. If you see any lightning, just hop out. That is gorgeous. I love my job. No way. Yeah, water, good life, guys. Yours and yours. I was too crazy out there. Over 2 hours search. I'm going to feel that tonight. Do you reckon it could have been found?
Found it.
Yeah, so just over 2 hours. Loving it, that's for sure. Good on you, mate. Message from the owner. I fear we're out of luck. No way. Every time.
You may hang up or press 1 for more options.
G'day Claire, it's Michael from Lost to Recovery. My phone's just about to die on me. I've only got about 5%. Send me your home address and I'll shoot over to your place right now. Okay, cheers, bye. They think it's a gone now, gone forever, never going to see these two beautiful rings again. That's what they think right now. Oh boy, are they in for a surprise. Found these after about 2.5 hours. Took me another 20 minutes just to dig them up. The surf was that heavy, all the sand was just getting kicked up, chewed up like a washing machine out there. I was getting tossed and tumbled all around. It's like, come on. We're here with Claire. Can I see you close your eyes? Is that okay?
Yep.
All right, guys, close your eyes, fingers out. Okay, I'll give you the first one. Okay, and open. Is that your ring?
No.
Are you for real?
It's not.
How about that one that I dropped down there? Is that real?
No. Oh, no.
They're not your rings?
No.
Oh, so you're on. Oh, because
Diamonds.
I was thinking maybe the diamonds actually fell out.
No.
Oh no.
No.
2.5 hours. Come on.
Well, you've got two
Okay.
extra rings.
Actually, that one looks familiar. No, sorry, that's my wedding band. Are they your rings?
Here they are. Oh my god! I'm amazed. Holy shit. Oh my god!
I got your message on the mobile
Brilliant.
phone and you're just like, oh, losing hope.
We were very skeptical. Very skeptical.
Why were you skeptical about it?
Needle in the haystack.
Needle in a haystack.
Yeah,
Okay.
times,
I get
yeah.
that all the time, and then
Yeah.
especially in heavy surf conditions as well.
Yeah.
As you guys know as well, it's my first time out there in heavy surf conditions. So yeah, this is what I do for a living. I love it. You like that?
How did you find them?
Metal detecting, underwater treasure hunting with metal detectors. I can show you in the car. So Claire, again, nice to meet you.
That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing.
No worries, loving
Oh my
it.
God.
Claire, Michael, good to meet you guys.
Thank you.
We've got another recovery shoot off to. Let's get up, get back out there.
Oh my goodness.
Cheers, guys.
Are you heading out again?
Got another one on. Yeah, another one.
I want to tell you something.
Traffic, check that out. Crash car ahead. Oh no, crash car ahead. Most important thing is, as long as they're okay, we're not going to get up to 5 p.m. Oh, that was a doozy. Dave?
Yes,
Found something very precious of mine. How long ago did you find it?
had to be over 12 months ago. Did some research, found someone, and voila!
They're brand new!
Brand new, $400 a piece, $800 worth of battery just there, and he's got them back. How fun! I clean the beach, and that's how I find it, and recycle stuff, and If I find something I can give it back, I always do. It's not mine.
That's a good bloody Aussie right there. Lost them. I was doing a recovery. It was a $7,000 engagement ring. And where Dave actually found them.
Purnell, where I live. Silver Beach, directly opposite Bear Island.
Batteries are just immaculate. They're awesome.
Don't buy another one.
I want to say thank you.
It's a pleasure.
No worries, mate.
No. When you're in the Shire, you don't want to go out the bubble.
In the Shire, they don't leave us in God country.
You don't get out the bubble.
Okay, if I film for YouTube. I'm here with Claire, Michael on this beautiful sunny day. What happened exactly? Engagement and eternity ring. Yes. Okay, which one's got diamonds in it?
Both.
Both have got diamonds.
Yes.
Wow. And we've got thunder and lightning coming over. The lifeguards have actually recommended I don't go in the water today. I'm just going to weigh it out. We're right in the break zone.
Where the orange girl is now, I'd say it's
around that area. So you got to be careful. You want to see him run?
It's what?
He actually goes up on 2 feet, this one. That's a Jackie lizard.
Can you go up on 2 feet? Go on 2 feet. Where go. Go off steady.
Whoa! We will be teaming up with Dan from Down Under Dam Diving in the future. We are working on some massive projects. I'm taking on a little bit more than I can kind of handle at the moment. Health-wise though, I'm actually doing better. I may not look it, but I'm actually feeling better. I'm sleeping better. Huge shout out to all our viewers, all our patrons. Guys, you are the backbone of what's happening here at LJR. And as we continue to grow, so will your rewards. Christmas, we have something awesome lined up for you. I don't want to tell you just yet. It's a little bit early. This Easter, I want to also organize something for you as well, just to show our appreciation for all the love and support you guys have given us. Truly, if you want to support our ocean trash cleanups, reuniting lost property with rightful owners and wildlife rescues, smash that Patreon button down below. We are sending you guys metal detectors every single month and of your choice. Do you want the SCUBA Detector Pro for your underwater metal detecting / beach metal detecting? We have the X Pointer Pro. That's the pinpointer I use on all my recoveries. The recovery speed on that is ridiculous. If you already got a metal detector, I recommend getting this pinpointer. It is awesome. It's a work beast and you'll find so much treasure and trash. We also have the Quest X5 metal detector. Fast target recovery speed. It's lightweight, travel friendly. That's why I'm choosing these metal detectors. They're family friendly. You can get your kids involved. As you guys know, I'm big on family. I love hanging out with my kids. They get out there. Noah, as you know, has already done his first ring recovery and he can't wait for his second recovery. And that is actually Dan from Down Under Dam Diving. I got to keep this on the down low at the moment. This is one of the bigger projects that we have going for us as well. You will see this in the future, I promise you. Right now, we can't disclose anything because we're still trying to make things happen. I love you guys. Stay safe out there and I'll see you all on the next hunt. Happy hunting, guys. Cheers. No, guys, we'll find it. If it's there, we'll find it.